Hello everyone. Today I'll be guiding you through how to recover your Gmail password once you have forgotten that. So the prerequisite of that is you should have provided your recovery information in your Google account, Gmail account, like your recovery email ID and recovery mobile number. So to do so, we'll have to go to our Google account and click on manage your Google account, and on the left side there is a option security. Click on that and scroll down a bit and click on add a mobile number. Again click on add recovery phone, provide your mobile number, click next. I want to skip verification because this mobile number was already verified, so I'll click on select. My mobile number has been provided in recovery information. I'll go back by clicking on this backspace and scroll down again and provide my recovery email by clicking on this add an email address. Click on add recovery email. Click on save. A verification code will be received on my alternate or recovery email ID. I'll click on that and verify my account by providing this verification code. Click verify. So my alternate email ID or recovery email ID has been successfully verified. So let's try if our forgot password option is working or not. I'll sign out from here. I will choose my account and click on this forgot password. Click on it's asking for the last password. As I have forgotten my last password, so I'll click on try another way. As my email account is already provided, so my email account is logged in my mobile phone, so it's confirming from my mobile phone. So I'll confirm it my verification on my mobile phone. Click on once my identification is verified, I'll click on update password, provide new password. Click change password and click continue to Gmail. So my new password has successfully been set. So that is it for today. See you.